AKsir, your English language tutor. Sprain. He left in a wheelchair after spraining an ankle. Fracture. Her wrist fractured when she fell on the ice. Whiplash. He was very bruised and suffering from whiplash. Graze. I had grazed my knees a little. Bruise. He had a bad bruise on his leg after he fell. Splinter. The girl had got a splinter in her toe. Burn. She burned her hand on the hot stove. Cut. We were fighting and he tried to cut me with his knife. Sting. The bees will sting if you bother them. Blister. The affected skin turns red and may blister.